If you're trying to build a funnel with GetResponse, you might be wondering, how easy is it really? And is it actually the best option for your needs, or are there better alternatives? Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll not only know how to set up a GetResponse funnel step by step, but you'll also find out about a tool that does it even better, and with an extended free trial exclusively through our link. So let's get straight to it. First, log into GetResponse and go to Conversion Funnels. This is where you'll set up everything from landing pages to email automation. Click Create Funnel and choose what you need: lead generation, sales, or webinars. If you're just capturing leads, pick the lead magnet option. Selling a product? Go with Sales Funnel. The interface makes this simple, but here's where the first issue comes in. The customization options are pretty limited compared to competitors. Next, designing your landing page. GetResponse gives you templates, which is great, but they're a bit dated. If you want real customization, you'll have to work around some frustrating design restrictions. And while they do offer a drag-and-drop builder, it's not as smooth or intuitive as some of the newer funnel builders out there. Then comes email automation. This is actually where GetResponse shines. Their autoresponder is solid, with decent automation flows. You can tag subscribers, set up follow-ups, and even run simple email sequences. However, compared to something like ActiveCampaign or System.io, it's not as advanced, and you might find yourself wanting more flexibility. After that, if you're selling something, you'll set up your checkout page. GetResponse does integrate with Stripe and PayPal, which is a plus, but the checkout design feels a bit outdated, and there are fewer upsell/downsell options compared to dedicated funnel builders like ClickFunnels. The last thing is tracking. GetResponse gives you basic stats on clicks, conversions, and email performance. It's fine for a beginner, but if you want deep analytics, you'll probably need an external tool or a more advanced platform. So, is GetResponse the best choice? It's decent if you want an all-in-one tool for emails and funnels, but if you need more customization, better templates, and a smoother funnel experience, there are better options. We've listed them below with extended free trials exclusively through our link, so you can test them out and see which one actually fits your needs.